In this video, I will show you how to send Solana from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. So if you want to do this, go ahead and watch this video until the end. So first of all, we are going to open our Phantom Wallet app, and from here we are going to click on our Solana, or we are going to click on Send. And I'm just going to click on Send, and from here I'm going to select my Solana. So let's go and click on this. And now in this section, we need to fill in the wallet address of Solana from our Coinbase. So we are going over to Coinbase to obtain this wallet address. Once you are on Coinbase, go ahead and click on Transfer, and from here click on Receive Crypto. So once we click on this, we will see this option to select any crypto, and we are just going to click on Solana. So if you don't see it popping up in here, then just type in SOL, and then you will see it popping up almost all the way at the top. So click on this, and once you do that, you will see your address in here. So now we're going to copy this to our clipboard, and now we're going to return to Phantom Wallet to paste this in. So paste it in from your clipboard and then click on Next. And now you can fill in the amount of Solana that you want to transfer. So I'm just going to fill in max, so everything I have. And after I'm going to click on Next. And here you will see the details of your transfer. You can see the network fee and stuff like that. So go ahead and click on Send all the way at the bottom. And as you can see, we have successfully sent our Solana over to Coinbase. So now we can just go ahead and click on Close and open our Coinbase app to see if it's already there.